There we go, safe and sound. It's much warmer in here. Even the darkest storms can't extinguish the light we carry inside. The wind and rain battered the windows, but inside their little home on wheels, the family was safe, warm, and together. And so they baked, a reminder that even on the darkest nights, there is warmth to be found in togetherness. The storm raged on, but inside their cozy van, they realized that courage was about sticking together, no matter what came their way. Almost ready. Who wants the first bowl? Me, please. It looks delicious. Careful, it's hot. And so the little van chugged along, carrying its precious cargo through the storm. We're almost there now. See how the heater makes everything warm again? Just like in our favorite story, where courage warmed the cold night away.